Do you want? I'll do the thingy. I'll do the thingy.
What's up, guys? Me and Reese is back with another collab.
May I do the honors?
Fine.
Okay. This is what I've been practicing for. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing with Lewis B. One, and we're gonna be playing Lab Monkey. Please check this game out. It's like a horror game. Currently, we're in circus, and let's get into it. By the way,
we've got 3 generators. We need 1 more. Lewis, I repeat. Lewis, I repeat. I am where that box is. I'm where the box is. Quick, hurry up. Oh, even better. Actually, that's worse. No, there's another kid in here. Why the hands? 2 people just joined. Nope. Where are you?
I'm where the boxes are, remember? Oh my god. The monster's over there. I am the triple. Alright, I think that vent has nothing. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Oh! On top of here! Boom! On. Alright, that's... I've done all of them. I've done 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No, I need 1 more.
Which one?
I don't know. 4? I need 4.
Number 4? Which one's number 4? Okay, you know what? Let's do a recap on all of them, alright? Go. Are you ready? There's a portal there. There's a portal there. There's a portal there for me. Alright, we need to get your last one. It might actually be over here for me. Get on top of this box. Just in case he's there. He is there. Get on top! Get on top! Yep. Why do you think it's connected? Hi guys! Yeah. Let's go. Oh my god! Someone's there! Ah! I could definitely tell! Good. Oh, I think this game is made by the people who made Lego Playground, because it has the same, like, it kind of has the same thing. Because I am the glub glub gabba shribble. What? Are you sure? Alright. Go. No! Help me! Help me! My hand's stuck! My hand! Look! There. Run! Get on top of these! Alright, good. Alright, follow me. On top of here! On top of here, jump! To this. To this. Ow! Ooh. To death! Alright. The other one over there. Follow me. I think I know which one you haven't. Quick! Lewis, get into the audience. Get into the audience. Alright, follow me. Go, quick. Quick. I think there's another one on the other side of here. Where? Clown's up there. No, I think there's another one over here. Oh my, you saw me. Oh no. I can't, the clown is on me. Lewis, please, don't do this again, don't do this again.
Don't run.
Where?
I will get you.
Help me, Lewis, please, don't do this again, please. You do know where I am. I literally just entered like a few minutes ago. Please, you know. I'm here, look, here. Follow me, come. Run! Run! In here! You can't get in the vent. I went in the vent.
I will get you.
He can't get me. Stop falling down. Oh my god. Alright, there's definitely not one there. So have you got... Ah! Tell me what? Wait. Is that a shark? Is that a shark? Wait, is this a shark? Is this a shark? Me! I'm here! Who's he chasing? Alright, what's another one we have? Oh, wait, alright, 1, 2, 3. That one. The one over there. You might not have turned it on right. Is that you? Go. Oh, guys. Damn it. Quickly get to this. Quickly try and get to this one. Quick. Alright, you ready? Remember that. You have it unlocked. So does it have...
I will find.
Does it have a green light on every single one of them? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Me. Yeah, this is me. Where's a place we haven't checked? Try this one again. Is all of the leathers down there, like pulled down? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got them all. Is there a portal in there? Huh? Because we've got all of them, so there should be a portal in there. Why? You have. Oh my god. Let's see. You have buy mods from. Oh. Okay, you just restart your game. You just restart your game. I'll go through this portal and see what happens. Okay? I'm going through the portal! What? Take me! Where am I going? Where am I going? I'm back! Yes! Wait, I'm not back. I'm not back. Where am I? Wait, where am I? This is weird. You get mods? That has mods. That's sick. Oh my god, where the hell am I? It's a sauna? What's up here? Oh my. Don't go up there. Don't go up there. Don't go up there. Don't go. What about you, Kura? On a key. I found a key! I found a key! Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, I don't know where I have to go. Ah! I have a key. Okay, I'm restarting this. Okay guys, that's gonna not be the end of today's video. Yeah, there's different levels, I think. Please guys, check this game out, it's so fun. Oh yeah, there is a... Alright, name. No. We can join a room. Join the code. Join the code 9879. Alright. My name is... It's actually...